Iwa. Iwa is the first English learning app. Welcome to my channel, and today we will learn
some basic phrases to survive in an English-speaking environment.
Greeting people. Informal greetings. You probably know that the most common way to greet someone in English is to say, "Hello. How are you?" But there are also some other expressions that can be used. Let's learn them together. When you greet a person you know well, you can use "Hey" or "Hi" instead of "Hello." "Hi" can be used in any informal situation, but we do not use "Hey" when we greet a stranger. "Hey" is only for people who we have met before. Hey. Hi. You can also say "Hi there," "Hey man," or "Hey, what's up?" There are some other greetings that can be used in informal and friendly situations. Howdy. Morning. Good to see you. Nice to see you. Great to see you. Long time no see. Look who it is. Formal greetings. In most business situations, the following greetings can be used. Hello. How do you do? This greeting is very formal, and it can be used when you meet someone for the first time, but is quite uncommon today. When somebody says, "How do you do?" answer with, "How do you do? Pleased to meet you. Nice to meet you." Other greetings. To greet a person, you can also use the following expressions. They change depending on the time of the day. We usually use "Good morning" from 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. "Good afternoon" is appropriate from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. "Good evening" is used after 6 p.m. In an informal situation, you can also say morning, afternoon, evening. Other ways to ask, "How are you?" Greetings are usually followed by the question, "How are you?" Let's learn some other ways to ask this common question in English. How are things? How's it going? How are you doing? How's life? How's everything? How's your day? How's your day going? Ways to answer, "How are you?" Here are some ways to answer, "How are you?" Hi there. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. I'm very well. I'm pretty well. I'm good. I'm pretty good. Oh, pretty well. I'm okay. Good enough. Great. Awesome. Not bad, thanks. I've been better. Horrible. Terrible. So far, so good. Different day, same existence. Way better than I deserve. Remember that it is also polite to ask a person how they are too. You can do this by adding, "And you?" "Hey man. How are you?" "Not bad, thanks. And you?" More informal ways to ask and answer, "How are you?" What's up? What's new? You all right? All right? Not much. Nothing much. Nothing. Not a lot. Just the same old, same old. These expressions are very informal and they can be sometimes used as greetings. It means that you do not need to answer them. When using these phrases, you can simply answer with an informal greeting like this. What's up? Hey, what's up? Other ways to say goodbye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye for now. Have a good, nice, wonderful day. Nice meeting you. Take care. See you. See you soon. See you next time. See you later. Talk to you later. I'm off. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Gotta go. Take it easy. Catch up with you later. Keep in touch. Example situations.
Hey man. Hey, what's up? Nothing much. And you? Awesome. I am going out with Jessica today. You're kidding me. That's great. Yeah, I think so. What's the time? It's 7. Oh, see you later. Keep in touch.
Hi Jessica. Hey Susie. How are things? Different day, same existence. And you? Good enough. Where are you going? To the mall. I am meeting Rachel there. And you? Well, I am waiting for Steve. He is picking me up in 10 minutes. Steve? That guy you told me about the other day? Yeah, he asked me out yesterday. Cool. Catch up with you later. See you. Greetings. Gestures and behavior. Words don't come easy to you? Then what about other things? Gestures and behavior. Do you stand near the other person? Do you touch them when you greet them? Let's talk about nonverbal greetings. Kissing. In some cultures, only friends kiss. In others, it is polite to kiss strangers. In some areas, 1 kiss is normal, while in others 2 or even 3 kisses. Hugging. In some countries, close physical contact is very important. But in others, people stand at quite a distance from each other. Be careful. Shaking hands. It is a formal greeting that expresses a polite approach. When shaking your hands, do it firmly to show respect. Bowing. In many societies, it is done when you meet a royalty or the president. Bowing indicates social position. But in some cultures, it is a part of normal greeting. Waving. It is used to say hello or goodbye from a distance. Introducing yourself. Let's learn how to introduce yourself and other people in English. Can I introduce myself? My name is. When somebody asks what your name is, you can also use one of the following phrases. You can call me. They call me. Everyone calls me. Please call me. When you want to introduce other people, say, Can I introduce you to? This is. I want you to meet. I'd like to introduce you to. country and address. If you want to know where a person comes from, ask one of the following questions. Where are you from? Where do you come from? Where were you born? If you need to answer these questions, say, I'm from. I'm originally from. I come from. My hometown is. I was born in. When you want to know where a person lives, ask, where do you live? You can answer this question with one of the following phrases. I live in. I spent most of my life in. I grew up in. I have lived in. Age. How old are you? Let's learn how to answer this question. I'm years old. I'm around your age. I'm in my 20s, early 30s, mid 40s, late 50s, etc. You can also use the preposition at when talking about your age. I learned to drive at 21. When we talk about becoming a new age in the future, we can use the verb to turn. How old will you be turning? I'll be turning 25 on my next birthday. Job. To ask someone what job they have, use one of the following questions. What's your job? What's your occupation? What do you do? What kind of work do you do? What do you do for a living? Where do you work? What line of work are you in? To answer these questions, say, I am. I work as. I work for. I earn my living as. I am looking for a job. I am out of work. I'm unemployed. I have been made redundant. I have been fired. I'm retired. If you have to be more specific, you can say, I deal with. I handle. I oversee. I'm in charge of. I'm responsible for. My job involves. Remember, be careful with the following questions. What do you do? Versus what are you doing? What do you do? I am a secretary. What are you doing? I am making coffee. Well done.
With Iwa, learning English is fun and easy. Try it out for free. And don't forget to subscribe.